Ray of Sunshine, a poem by Henry Wadsworth. O give, O God, O perfect day, whereon shall no man work but play, wherein it's not enough for me not to be doing but to be. Throughout every fibre of my brain, through every nerve, through every vein, I feel the electric thrill, the touch of life that seems almost too much. I hear the wind among the trees, playing celestial symphonies. I see the branches down their bend, like keys of great instrument. And over unrolls on high, the splendid scenery of the sky, where through a sapphire sea of the sun, sail like a golden galleon, towards yonder cloudland in the west, towards yonder islands of the blessed, whose stripped Sierra fall uplifts its craggy summits white with drifts. Blow wind, and waft through all the rooms the snowflakes of the cheery blooms. Blow winds, and bend within my reach the fiery blossom of the peach. O life and love, O happy throng of thoughts, whose only speech is song, O heart of man, canst thou not be blithe as the air and as a free?